Here are clear and simple definitions of each term. 1. Nutrition. Nutrition is the process by which living organisms take in food and use it for growth, energy, repair, and maintenance of the body. 2. Nutrients. Nutrients are the chemical substances present in food that provide energy and help in growth, repair, and proper functioning of the body, such as carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals. 3. Proteins. Proteins are complex nutrients made of amino acids that are essential for bodybuilding, growth, and repair of tissues. They also help in making enzymes and hormones. 4. Cellular respiration. Cellular respiration is the process by which cells break down food, usually glucose, to release energy in the form of ATP. 5. Aerobic respiration. Aerobic respiration is a type of cellular respiration that requires oxygen to break down glucose and release energy, producing carbon dioxide and water as byproducts. 6. Glycolysis. Glycolysis is the first step of cellular respiration in which glucose is broken down into pyruvate in the cytoplasm, releasing a small amount of energy, ATP, without requiring oxygen.
Here are the differences in clear point form. 1. Glycolysis versus TCA cycle or Krebs cycle. Glycolysis occurs in the cytoplasm of the cell. First step of cellular respiration. Does not require oxygen or anaerobic process. Breaks glucose 6C into 2 pyruvate 3C each. Produces 2 ATP, net gain. Produces NADH but no FADH2. Simple and short process, 10 steps. TCA cycle or Krebs cycle occurs in the mitochondrial matrix, second major stage of aerobic respiration, requires oxygen indirectly, breaks down acetyl-CoA into CO2, produces ATP 1 per cycle, produces NADH and FADH2, high energy carriers, more complex cyclic process. 2. Mitosis versus meiosis. Mitosis occurs in somatic cells or body cells, produces 2 daughter cells. Daughter cells are genetically identical, maintains same chromosome number, diploid to diploid, no pairing of homologous chromosomes, no crossing over, helps in growth, repair, and asexual reproduction. Meiosis occurs in reproductive cells or germ cells, produces 4 daughter cells. Daughter cells are genetically different, reduces chromosome number, diploid to haploid. Homologous chromosomes pair and separate, crossing over occurs, genetic variation, important for sexual reproduction. 3. Aerobic versus anaerobic respiration. Aerobic respiration requires oxygen, occurs mainly in mitochondria, complete breakdown of glucose, end products CO2 and H2O, produces large amount of energy, 36 to 38 ATP, more efficient process. Anaerobic respiration occurs without oxygen, takes place in the cytoplasm, incomplete breakdown of glucose, end products lactic acid in muscles or alcohol plus CO2 in yeast, produces less energy, 2 ATP, less efficient process.